Have you ever wondered why some conversations just flow while others feel awkward or forced? What if I told you there's a simple reason and it's something you can master? Hey everyone, welcome back to English Lab, the place where we break down real conversations, explore powerful ideas, and help you become more confident in everyday speaking. Today's topic is one you don't want to miss. In this episode, we're diving into a real talk that reveals insights, tips, and even a few unexpected surprises that could change the way you speak and connect with others. So grab your headphones, settle in, and don't just watch, listen closely. This conversation might just shift your perspective. Let's get into it.
Jenny, you know what's weird? I've been studying English for years, but I still freeze when someone just says, "How's it going?"
Oh no, that's like one of the easiest ones.
Exactly. But I panic. Like, should I say I'm fine, or it's going okay, or something else?
Totally get it. Sometimes it's not the grammar, it's choosing the right sentence at the right moment.
Yeah, I want to learn the kind of English people actually use every day, not the cat is on the table kind.
Okay, real talk. You don't need big words to sound fluent. Just simple, useful sentences can make you sound confident and friendly.
Like what?
Let's see. When you greet someone, instead of always saying, "How are you?" you can say, "What's up?" or "How's it going?"
Ah, so how's it going means the same thing.
Yep, and the answer can be simple too. Pretty good, not bad, or just okay.
I like that. What about when I don't understand something?
Easy. You can say, "Sorry, can you say that again?" Or "I didn't catch that."
Much better than just saying what.
Exactly. And for daily stuff, like when you're at a store, you can say, "I'm just looking," or "How much is this?"
I always forget those. I just smile and point.
Hey, that works too. But if you want to practice more, try saying things you do every day in English, like, "I'm getting ready. Let's go. I'm tired. What's for lunch?"
So basically, think in simple English all day?
Yes, you don't need fancy sentences, just real ones. Start with what you actually say to yourself every day.
Wow, I used to think I had to memorize big words to sound smart, but now I see simple is powerful.
Exactly. Fluency isn't about big words, it's about being clear and comfortable.
Okay, from now on, I'll practice talking to myself in short English sentences, even small things like "I'm hungry" or "let's watch something."
That's perfect. And if you forget something, no stress. Just keep speaking. It gets easier every day.
You don't need big words to speak good English. Start with simple, real-life sentences you can use every day. Fluency grows one small sentence at a time.
Pick 5 simple English sentences you use in your daily life. Say them out loud today. Then say them again tomorrow. Practice makes progress.